In this video, I'm going to share with you guys a 5-day challenge that I came up with to help beginner traders trade options in 5 days. So as you can see right here, guys, we have to unlock the secrets of option trading in just 5 days. So you don't need any experience to trade option in just 5 days. Ideally, you want to have a background in stock trading beforehand. I came up with this challenge because some people were reaching out to me about trading and things like that. There's a point where I could help traders to start taking their first trade in just 5 days. Some people that may have taken a course, they may not be trading in just 5 days. They may not do it for months or years, but in this particular challenge, you'll be able to trade option in just 5 days. It took me about 2 years before I actually got into option trading, so I don't want that for you guys. I want you to be able to speed up the process, because if I had something like this, take your first trade challenge, I would have definitely known more and I wouldn't have taken the 2 years, because it would have speed up the processes for me to take my first trade. Before I started trading options, I was trading stocks. And I remember looking at the option trading example like this. I will just see this and it looks like gibberish to me. I was like, what is this thing right here? And then I would see red and green and I was like, I don't know what this was. And so I didn't really want to mess with option trading. And also, I was seeing that option trading can be a risky thing to go in. So I came out of the option and I just left it alone and I just kept trading stocks. But eventually I decided to get into option and test it out, and honestly the money was just different, meaning that you could turn a small amount of money into a bigger amount of money in a short period of time, and you could have significant returns from option trading. So I think that this challenge can help beginners who are on the fence, especially if you trade stocks, who are on the fence and looking at option trading like that thing look intimidating. We're going to clear up all of that in the challenge and help you guys take your first option trade in 5 days. To take your first trade challenge, you don't have to use your own money, or you can use your own money if you like. We could use simulated account, or as I said, you could use your own money to get into trading option, but there's no need for you to use your own personal money to trade option right now. I want to help you guys learn the terminology in a simple way and provide risk management strategy to lessen the chance of you feeling overwhelmed and help protect your capital. In 5 days, you're going to take your first trade so you can start making some money. There's 2 ways to join. You could join as a general admission or a VIP. A general admission is $97 and you will get 5 days of trading with me, access to take your first trade challenge, Facebook group, and how to take your trade with limited risk. And we also have a VIP experience where you're going to, everything you get in the general admission plus my trading plan, you're also going to get to ask questions, and you're going to get a Trade or O t-shirt. You're going to get 12% discount on trading support for 6 months. The Take It First Trade Challenge for beginners who want to work less hours and make more money. So in other words, you don't have to get 2 or 3 jobs. You can start making your money make money for you. And who's it not for? It's not for people who are not going to take it seriously. If you are curious about stocks and options but not serious, please don't waste your money or our time. With that being said, sign up for the challenge today. Remember, for His glory, peace.